has a cough and lots of mucus. What should I give them? Oh, this looks great. Agave and ivy leaf, Zarbee's. What's that? How much do I give my child? Is it going to be safe? Is it actually going to work? Help me.
How can we help this customer? Let's take a look at the indication, efficacy, safety, and mechanism of action. Zarbee's Natural Baby Cough and Mucus Syrup is an over-the-counter supplement used to soothe coughs and sore throats in children as young as 2 months old. It can help loosen and clear mucus when coughing. Since this is considered a supplement and not a medication, this product is not evaluated by the FDA. The main ingredients in Zarbee's are agave syrup and ivy leaf. Agave syrup is used to coat the throat in replacement of honey, which cannot be used in children less than 1 year old due to risk of infant botulism. Ivy leaf's active ingredient is alpha-hedrin, which has been found to have mucolytic, spasmolytic, bronchodilator, and antibacterial effects. Ivy leaf also exhibits beta-2 adrenergic properties as well as decreased inflammation.
Although one of the biggest marketing points for Zarbee's regarding this cough syrup is its safety, that unfortunately is somewhat debatable. Granted, it is drug, alcohol, and dye-free as it boasts, but they do mention on the back of the box that they do add sugars which may or may not be not natural. Furthermore, the FDA classifies this as a supplement rather than a actual drug or medication. And because of that, it does have different and arguably looser rules that it has to adhere to. So for example, when a prescription is being tested for the market, it has to go through rigorous trials and reviews by both the manufacturer and the FDA to not only prove that it's safe, but it's also efficacious. With anything that is not that, like supplements, which can be more viewed as almost special foods, they are assumed safe and efficacious even if they don't make any claims about it until proven otherwise. And they, as a result of that, also don't have to disclose any side effects or reactions that they have been reported since that is not legally required of them. With that being said, there have been little reports of side effects or issues regarding the safety of this medication, but I've gone through some of the Amazon reviews, and it seems like a common complaint is that when a parent gives this to their babies, they may actually have difficulty swallowing it because of how viscous the liquid is, and can cause them to kind of choke or even vomit. After reading reviews from a multitude of sites, it appears that the majority of people who bought this product and gave it to their baby have seen positive results in treating their cough. This, however, again, doesn't hold much legal weight because it is classified as a supplement, and the claims that they put on their website and their packaging have not been approved by the FDA. In addition to this, the herbal ingredients that they use, the agave and ivy leaves, are still being subjected to research about their efficacy because of their natural complexity and the lack of formal research backing up the properties that people think they may have. This isn't to say that they would not work or that the cough syrup is not worth buying, but one should not expect that this would be a perfect solution to their baby's cough. It is also unfortunate that in 2014, the company received a warning letter from the FDA about some of their inappropriate claims and endorsements of a multitude of their products, including this one. Without going into too much detail, a lot of it was liking customers' reviews of them that said things that were simply not true about it, as well as using deliberately hazing writing that gave the impression that they are capable of being used for other things and are just as competitive or in the same class as some of the actual cough syrups out there, like Delsum.
Hey everyone, now we're going to talk about dosage of Zarbee's cough syrup and mucus. This medication varies by age. So if your baby is between 2 and 5 months, they should receive 3 milliliters. If they are between 6 and 11 months, they should receive 4 milliliters. And if they are 1 year old or greater, they should receive 5 milliliters. This medication can be administered every 4 hours or as directed by your doctor. It does not matter what time of day this medication is given. It comes in a bottle or in to-go packets. And so the to-go packets, the medication with agave comes in 3 milliliter pouches, and then the cough syrup and mucus with honey comes in 5 milliliter packets, and that is because if your child is greater than 1 year or 1 year old, they are able to receive honey. If they are less than 1 year of age, they are not able to receive honey, and so that is why it is also conveniently sold with agave. Should we recommend this medication to patients? Let's dive in. Cough drops and cold medication for adults can often cause life-threatening side effects to patients under 2 years old. This is one of the very few over-the-counter products that you can try for babies that are 1 year or less. I would recommend trying it, but I would recommend starting small. It definitely cannot do any harm. I'd also recommend saline drops, increasing the fluids for your baby, and also raising the baby's head to also decrease symptoms of cough and cold. Thank you. Here's our references. I hope you learned something today and have a great day.